Hey, does anybody know what this is? I mean, I know it's caterpillars, but like, why do they do this? Ezekiel, you scared me. Jesus. But like, look at all of them. They form like little webs. And also, what is that sound? Does anybody know what makes that sound? But we're just doing a 1 a.m. stroll around the house. I don't do this every day. I just got outside and figured, let's do something. And just wanted to showcase that caterpillar thing. Zeke, what did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Oh, I cannot help you. Zeke, you're gonna give yourself a migraine. Alright, I just freed Zeke. I had to cut it off to free him. But you won't know that because I'm gonna stitch them together. Hopefully. But we're just walking around. Let me get in this real quick. Look at him! And, yeah. Ooh, the peaches are, well, this never really does anything, but it's under here. Nothing. Huh? Oh, I thought I saw eyes on the roof. Spider! Run for your life! I don't know if y'all can see the web, but it's actually pretty nice. Idea. I'm gonna go show you guys my ducks. That little time-lapse piece was just me walking. Literally, that's it. Just coming up with an idea. Oh, hush. But yeah, does anybody know what these sounds are? Just asking. But, oh, how did you get out? Look at him. Hello. What's he doing up there? Ugh, that's nasty. Oh, look, some beetles. Look at them. A little spider. Okay. Another little spider over there. How did both of you get out? Spider! Run for your lives! Oh, there's a bunch. Something's... Oh, look at all those mosquitoes in there. Holy. Spider! Run! Oop, there's a chicken. Oop, there's a chicken. Alright, bag up. I'm gonna need to get these two nympkin poops. Bag up, boy. Bag up. Bag up, Terry. Bag up. Bag up. You.
Can I help you?
Grab you. Please don't. Please don't. Come here. I'm gonna put you in here. And then, no, stay. We're gonna... how did you... Get in there. Oh my gosh. I wonder how they're all getting out. Oh, I forgot to show you the ducks. Look, 2 little duckies. How is the gray one bigger than the white one? I got him after. I'm gonna go around flipping some things. Holy crap. Look at the vines. Look at that. It's kind of neat. I'm gonna go around flipping stuff. Something bit me. That video will come out in a couple minutes. Are you kidding me?